Coloring by Fairy Cherry. Hello, sweetie pies! It's me, Fairy Cherry, and today we're going to use colors in our imaginations to make something super duper fun! To like and subscribe for more exciting coloring journeys. Wishing you a world full of colors and smiles until next time! Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay connected with Fairy Cherry!